Hello dear children. Now we can continue our units of time. We all know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, that is here 12, 6, 3, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Then when this minute hand started from here and reached up to here, we can say that completed 1 hour. That is 60 minutes. Clear? That is from 12 to 1, that will be 5 minutes. Then 1 to 2 will be again 5. Then 2 to 3 again 5. So 12 to 3 total will be 15 minutes. Then 3 to 6 again that will be 15 minutes. Okay, also we can say this is half an hour. That is equal to 30 minutes. Half of 60, 30. So we can write half an hour will be 30 minutes. Clear? Then 3/4 hour will be again up to here. So again 15 minutes. Total 45 minutes. Clear? Okay. That is, now we can discuss this with our number line 0 to 60. 60 minutes. This is half an hour. So this is 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour and this will be half an hour. Then here will be 1 on 4. So actually this we divided into 4 equal parts. This will be 2 on 4. That is equal to half. Okay, 2 on 4 is equal to half. So here will be quarter and this will be 3/4. So here will be 30. This will be 15. Here will be 45. Clear for you? Then now we can think about what will be the equivalent number of 1 on 3 hour. 1 on 3 hour. Here 1 on 4 hour. That is equal to 15 minutes. 2 on 4 hour will be 30 minutes. Then 3 on 4 hour will be 45 minutes. 1 hour will be 60 minutes. So 1 on 3, that is here 60. Then if the denominators are 4, we have to divide this into 4 equal parts. Now the denominator is 3. So we have to divide this into 3 equal parts. So here will be 1 on 3. Here will be 2 on 3. 3 on 3. 3 on 3 means that is completely. Okay. So here will be 20 minutes. Then 40 minutes. 60 minutes. 0. 0 plus 20, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. Now equal parts. Is it clear? So we can say 1 on 3 hour will be 20 minutes. Okay. Now 4 on 5 hour, that is divided into 5 equal parts. 60. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 60 divided by 5, 12. 12 5s are 60. So here will be 12. Then 24. Then 48. Sorry. 36. 48. Then 60. Okay. So this is 5 on 5 hour. Here will be 1 on 5 hour. Here will be 2 on 5. Here will be 3 on 5. This will be 4 on 5. Now we can say 1 on hour is equal to 12 minutes. 1 on 5 hour is equal to 12 minutes. Then 2 on 5 hour will be 24 minutes. Clear? Then 4 on 5 will be 48 minutes. Okay. Then next one. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. So what will be half day? It's very clear, that will be 12 hours. Okay. Then quarter day will be 6 hours. What will be 3/4 day? That is 18 hours. Okay. Why? Because 1 day. This is representing 1 day. Okay. 1 day. So here will be half day. Here will be quarter. Here will be 3/4. Okay. Then this 1 day, we know that is 24 hours. Then half of a day will be 12 hours. Here will be 18 hours. Then this will be 6 hours. 6 hours. Clear? Then next question. What will be 2 hours and 30 minutes? 2 hours 30 minutes is equal to how much minutes? Total. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours will be, what will be there? 120 minutes. Then this 120 minutes and this 30 minutes, extra 30 minutes. So 120 plus 30, that will be 150 minutes. Is it clear for you? Okay. Then 2 hours 57 minutes. We know 2 hours will be 120 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours will be 120 minutes. Okay, 2 hours will be 120 minutes. Then this 120 minutes and extra 57 minutes. So 120 plus 57, that is 177 minutes. Okay. Now we can convert hours into minutes. Okay. Thank you.